Some people have kindly asked how I made the rotisserie chicken live stream that I put up about 6 months ago. This is raw chicken, so follow the advice on salmonella and other bacteria washing your hands in storage. I'm using a Tower Airfryer T17039. The biggest chicken I've been able to fit is this 1.6kg or 3.5 pound chicken. First, check the packaging and the temperature and time to cook. If it's not already tied up, you'll need to tie both the legs and the wings to stop it getting away. This is a metal rotisserie bar. It gets very hot while cooking. Don't remove it until it's completely cool. Also, don't drop the thumbscrews down the sink. I usually wash them in a glass. Push the bar into the chicken and out the other side, making sure there's some space for the hook. You can pat on a dry rub like this Nando's Peri barbecue rub. You'll need about 25 grams per chicken. Or you can use a wet rub such as barbecue sauce. Or both like I have here. It's much easier if you use a silicone brush. The front of the air fryer can be removed for cleaning, but don't submerge it in water. You have to attach it from underneath. Pick up the chicken using the handle, slide it into place and lock it in on the left side. The modes are just preset times and temperatures. You don't have to use them. Just use the recommended temperature and time from the packaging and turn on the rotisserie mode. Don't forget to increase the time if it's more than an hour. If you need to switch it off, just hold the power button. If you can, check with the meat thermometer. It should be at least 75°C throughout the chicken, no pink meat, and the juices should run clear. Remember that the bar will be very hot. It's easier to carve it with it still attached. Enjoy your chicken.